We are hiring an RK Collision Center. That's right. If you're in Vineland, New Jersey, or the surrounding area, and you're looking for a place to advance your career, you've got to call us. We're exceeding our current capacity right now. Due to this, we are scheduling for a month and a half in advance for all body shop needs. We're looking for a Class A body shop technician to help out in our collision center. We are also proud to announce the formation of a brand new apprenticeship program that we offer here at RK. So if you're currently working at a dealership or a body shop and you're not making the money that you want, need, or deserve, you've got to give us a call. We have one of the best compensation plans around, and we're one of the best dealerships to work for, period. We are a multi-certified collision center, enjoying endorsements from industry leaders such as iCar, ASE Blue Seal, Honda Acura Pro First, as well as GM, Corvette, and Subaru. Our collision center is committed to growing our department. We want only the best to work with our organization. For the time being, we are offering a sign-on bonus of $2,500, so call us right away.